Speaking of ridiculous, have you ever heard of a truck called the Big General in China?
No. Should I?
Actually, I apologize for calling it ridiculous. I mean, it's not. I'm sure it's not ridiculous, but it is.
I guess in like Chinese.
It's a funny name. Yeah, it's the translation. It's a funny name here. The Big General sounds like a chicken sandwich at Popeyes. I'd like to order the Big General.
Yeah.
It sounds like a meal deal combo. Anyways, you scroll down a little bit, and what you see is there it is. It is meant to look like a Ford Raptor, I guess.
Oh yeah.
And they're not even trying to hide it, which is that's their play. It's from a company called Photon. It resembles an F-150. Photon across the front, which looks a lot like the Ford logo on the Raptor model.
Oh.
And there's a big difference, though, I need to say. I need to be clear with you here. If you think you're getting a Ford Raptor equivalent, you absolutely are not. The Big General, which in Chinese is the Jiangjun.
Okay.
The Jiangjun. It's powered by only a 238 horsepower 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. That thing must be so slow. A 2-cylinder engine in something that big and heavy?
Yeah.
That's,
is it powerful? No, right?
What?
Like the 2-cylinder.
No, or sorry, a 4-cylinder 2-liter. No, a 4-cylinder would be in your Honda Civic or whatever.
Oh.
A way smaller car normally.
So,
I mean, you can, some of them, they have done some boosted 4-cylinders that have been okay, but 238 horsepower.
can you tow anything with the 4-cylinder?
Not very well. What can I say? I mean, if you're used to a Raptor, for example, the rumor is that the next Raptor would be over 700 horsepower. And the current one, I think, is closer to around 400 something. So it's like half the power of the real Raptor. Which, I mean, you can put stuff in the back. It'll work.
Is it just for looks? What's the price?
$2,000. No. Hang on. Hold up. The price, did they say the price? It's definitely not expensive. But for some reason, I don't think the price is in here.
It's the price of a Honda Civic?
A Raptor in China is the equivalent of $80,000. So, it's an expensive truck. It's a tough comparison, obviously. But this is going to be a lot cheaper. I don't know how much cheaper. People are going to look it up. They'll leave a comment. The Big General.